Hello, everyone, and welcome to NEET Mentor. Very good news, and the candidates who were waiting for the cutoff revision, the revision is officially declared. It's not declared on the official website, but as per the letter issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, and there is a letter which says that the cutoff is revised by 25 percentile. Let me tell you, uh, for general category. Okay, so I'm directed to refer to the minutes of the meeting held on 14th of October, held under the chairmanship of Chairman NMC board, and on the subject mentioned above, to say that the recommendation for the reduction in qualifying percentile for postgraduate courses for NEET PG 2022, okay, has been considered. The approval of competent authority is hereby conveyed for the reduction of the cutoff marks for NEET PG 2022 by 25 percentile across all categories, and the reduced revised qualifying percentile is as below. So, for general category is 25 percentile. Earlier it was 50 percentile. For PWD category is 20 percentile. Earlier it was 45 percentile. For SC, ST, OBC is 15 percentile. Earlier it was for 40 percentile, and for PWD, SC, ST, OBC is 15 percentile. Now let me tell you the more important part: how to calculate the percentile and how much score is equal to 25 percentile. So based on the result, let me show you the result also. So as you can see on the screen, this is NEET PG result, okay, which you had downloaded when the result got published, and it has score out of 800 versus rank. So there is a way to calculate, and I will also tell you the cutoff marks now. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and there is a number given in the description of the video, 9319128677. You can call us on that number in case you want the guidance that how to proceed now. Since I will be qualifying, it's just matter of time when they upload the notification on the official website, that is netboard, and you will able to register for mop up round. So if you want the counseling guidance, you can contact us on 9319128677, because there will be many opportunities, and since the cutoff revision is happening by 25 percentile, which is huge, so lot many candidates will come and it will increase the competition. So just to bypass the competition, you need to have the proper information, updates, and strategies so that you can get a confirmed seat. Now let me tell you, the candidate who got 275 score was the qualifying last qualifying candidate, and the qualifying marks was 275 for general category. So what you have to do, you need to know the total number of candidates appeared in the examination. Now the candidate who got particular rank, suppose the candidate who got X rank, so total number of candidates minus X divided by total number of candidates into 100 will tell you the percentile of the candidate. So based on the calculation I done, okay, for general category it will be reduced from 275 to 201 plus minus 1 2, means it can be 200 to 202, okay, any number between 200 to 202 for general category. And for reserve category, where the percentile should be 15, it will be around 170 to 172. Okay, I am not able to tell you the exact number because it's percentile, okay, it's not percentage. So the official notice will have the exact number based on my calculation, and based on this sheet you can also do calculation. I told you how to calculate it. Just take like 171 is the score. So you need to know the total number of candidates, that is around 1,80,000 and 1,81,000 approx, minus the rank of the candidate who got 171 score, that is 154,107, divided by total number of candidates, that is again 1,81,000 into 100. So it will be around approx 15 percentile. So that will be the cutoff for OBC, SC, ST category. So 170 to 172 for category candidates, and for general it will be 201, 200 to 202. Okay, so based on this you can do the calculation whether you are qualifying from category or in general. Okay, so this is very important update. Okay, and you can also join the Telegram group. The description has its link so that you can get all the updates, and you want like our proper guidance. Okay, until admission, then you can also avail our paid counseling guidance. For that you need to call us on 9319128677. In case the call comes busy, then you can send us WhatsApp message on the same number. Okay, so that's all from my side, and congratulations to all candidates who were waiting for the cutoff revision. This time there are several reasons behind high cutoff revision. Last year it happened around 15 percentile, but this year 25 percentile. In the beginning we were expecting that the cutoff revision won't be that much, but based on the number of vacancies only, because the number of expected vacancies the government already knows. Okay, and based on that they have done the calculation and revised the cutoff. There are many committees involved in that. So first is many seats are going vacant after round 1, and after round 2 also there will be many seats, and positive shift is there. It means that more seats will be vacant, and there are other regions. Okay, so ultimately this is the new 25 percentile is the confirmed news and it's official. I have shown you the letter also from ministry. And how much is the score? 200 to 202 for general category, and 170 to 172 for OBC SC ST category. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.